Do you think white petroleum jelly is only useful for dry lips? That's one of the most common myths. Many people see it as something simple, but in reality, it is one of the most studied products in basic skincare. And before going further, there's something important to clarify. White petrolatum has no nutritional value. It is not food or a supplement, so it does not provide vitamins, minerals, or energy. Its function is completely different. It is a skin protectant, meaning it forms a barrier over the skin. Now, explained in simple terms, imagine your skin as a wall with small cracks. When it becomes dry or irritated, white petrolatum acts like a protective layer that seals that surface, preventing water loss and helping the skin stay hydrated for longer. My grandmother Jordana used to say that when she got cracked hands in winter, the only thing that truly gave her relief was something as basic as petroleum jelly. And over time, many dermatologists have supported this idea with scientific evidence. One of its main uses is helping to moisturize dry skin by reducing water loss. It can also protect minor wounds or mild irritations by creating a barrier that prevents contact with bacteria or dirt. Another important benefit is that it helps improve skin recovery when it is cracked or sensitive, especially in areas like the lips, hands, or elbows. In addition, according to the American Academy of Dermatology, petrolatum is considered one of the most effective occlusive agents for retaining moisture in the skin and supporting the repair of the skin barrier.